What's up, all ya crazy box breaking, card collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxBreaks.com, where we want to be your box breaking website. Coming in live at 10:01 Eastern, 9:01 Central here in Wisconsin. This is the 2011 Panini Certified break. Here is the roster. And just a reminder, if you want to get in the new Bowman baseball, I think we have one group left available for an hour from now. And then we also have the 2011 dual box, plates and patches, and Crown Royal for midnight Eastern. So I think we got 4 spots of that left. Here is the box for the 10 p.m. Eastern break, certified. Again, there are 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. And there's the checklist. Pull 10 packs out, show you the empty box. Start on the top. Good luck, everybody. Washington Redskins, Chris Cooley. Chargers, Antonio Gates. Jaguars, Mike Thomas. Spacer. Texans, Andre Johnson. And Bills, Freddie Jackson. Pack number 2. Colts, Reggie Wayne. Pretty cool cards, nice and shiny. Bears, Devin Hester. Bucks, Adrian Claiborne. Spacer. Chiefs, Dwayne Bowe. And Bengals, Dhani Jones. Alright, 5 packs, or 8 packs left. Should have 4 hits. Bengals, Bo Scaife. Steelers, Big Ben. Jets, Greg McElroy. Another spacer. Patriots, Jared Mayo. And Redskins, Jabbar Gaffney. Pack number 4. Vikings, Adrian Peterson. Cowboys, Felix Jones. Dolphins, Reggie Bush. Looks like we have our first hit, and it's a nice one. Marshall Faulk. Jersey card, Immortals, and that is numbered 72 out of 100. Nice hit for the Rams. That's going to Pat K. Chiefs, Steve Breston, and Texans, Kevin Walter. Alright, 1 hit down. Ready to go. Rams, Carnell Cadillac Williams. Raiders, Jacoby Ford. Steelers, Baron Batch. Spacer. For the Bills, Steve Johnson. And for the Cowboys, Tony Romo. Giants, Brandon Jacobs. Dancing with the Stars, Donald Driver for the Packers. Julius Peppers for the Bears. Another spacer. Lee Evans, Ravens. And Jamal Charles, Chiefs. This feels like a thick one. It's got to have something good in it. Rams, Danny Amendola. Niners, Braylon Edwards. Niners, Michael Crabtree. And for the Dallas Cowboys, a very, very nice on-card rookie auto dual patch, DeMarco Murray. Sensational rookie running back last year. And that is numbered 133 out of 499. And the Cowboys are going to Rick F. Very nice hit, Rick. Sweet. Patriots, Chad Ochocinco. And Patriots, Danny Woodhead. 3 packs to go. Ravens, Ray Rice. Jaguars, Maurice Jones-Drew. Bears, Julius Peppers. For the Rams, very nice jumbo patch. Austin Pettis, rookie jumbo patch, freshman fabric. That is going to Pat K as well. It's a very short print with that nice patch. Numbered 5 out of 25. Very nice hit there, Pat. Broncos, No Shane Moreno. And Redskins, Tim Hightower. 2 packs to go. Redskins, Santana Moss. Chargers, Ryan Matthews. Chargers, Marcus Gilchrist. Spacer. Texans, Matt Schaub. And Panthers, D'Angelo Williams. Last pack. Lions, Matthew Stafford. Falcons, Tony Gonzalez. Ravens, Torrey Smith. Titans, rookie running back Jamie Harper. Jersey patch. That one is numbered 56 out of 250. That one is going to Joseph W. Jr. Nice pull there, Joseph. Dolphins, Brandon Marshall. And last up, Giants, Mario Manningham. I saw somebody joined late just to show some of the two of the nicer cards. Austin Pettis jumbo patch, numbered to 25. And a DeMarco Murray on-card rookie auto dual patch. And that is numbered to 499. So remember, if you want to get a few more breaks tonight, we got 1 spot left of the Bowman. Just came out last week. And then we got a special 2010 football dual break for midnight. So get on, get your spots. Later, dudes.